So how do I pick a puppy that's right for me? Welcome to Cornerstone Gundog Academy, where you can learn to train your retriever with our online videos. And this is a really great question, and that's how do I pick a puppy? Now, the first tip that's really going to be the most important for you is just pick the litter. That's where you want to start. You want to make sure that you get the right litter. And what I mean by that is you want to make sure you get the right parents that are going to exhibit tendencies that you like. And that's, again, another reason why we've mentioned from one of our previous posts that a good breeder is going to be one of your most valuable resources, because they're really going to help make sure that you get off on the right track, and they're going to understand the dogs, and they're going to understand what you're looking for and help set you up and pair you with the right pairing of parents. So, but what I do want you to understand is that the tendencies that the parents exhibit are really what you should be searching for in a puppy, because most likely your puppy is going to be similar to the parents. Obviously, the color is going to be very similar, even the personality, the way they run, all of those different things. Now, your dog's not going to be an exact clone of the parents, but that is a good place to start. When you choose the right parents, you're going to know that you're going to be getting some quality pups, because you already have an idea of what you're getting. Now, once you have picked the litter, it's really going to boil down to a few other things. Now, this next one I'm going to mention actually ties to picking the litter, and that's color. And there's really no right or wrong color that's better than the other. They're all great, so it's really just a personal preference, whichever color you like. But that is pretty important that you choose the right parents, because not all parents are going to throw the exact color you're looking for, but your breeder will know that, and they can help match you up with the right pairing so that you get the right color and the right tendencies that you're looking for. The next choice is sex. Do you want male or female? And really, there's no right or wrong answer here either, because both are going to perform extremely well. It's really just a personal preference and what you're looking for. I will say this: if you do have a female and they're intact, just keep in mind that they do have heat cycles, so that could kind of interfere with your hunting a little bit if it falls during hunting season. But other than that, there's really not much different. And sometimes the males are slightly bigger, but at the end of the day, it's really not going to make that much of a difference. It's just a personal preference. Do you want a male or do you want a female? Personality is next, and this is again where your breeder is going to come in and be able to help you, because number one, you are going to get an idea when it comes to the parents, but every puppy has a different personality. So what they're going to be able to do is they're kind of watching every puppy, and they've got a good feel for what the puppies are going to be, their tendencies, and kind of what personality they might have. And depending on which pick of the litter you are, maybe your first pick, just kind of depending on when you got your deposit in, you may get to actually be the first pick. So personality will come into play there. But at the end of the day, if you've picked the litter first, it really isn't going to matter, and it's going to boil down to the last and most important thing. Can you guess what that is? That is you. You are the most important factor in this, because once you have picked the litter, it is up to you to take this puppy, this bundle of just tons of potential, and to mold it into all that it is going to be, because the puppy will never reach its potential by itself. It is up to you to help establish and help get it to where it needs to be and help it reach its potential. Whether you send it to a trainer or whether you do the training yourself, you are still responsible for making sure that pup reaches its potential. So if you keep all those things in mind and you really think through it and you talk to your breeder, make sure that they help you pick the right puppy, then you're going to most likely end up with a puppy just like you're looking for.